Our flooding hasn't been quite as devastating as across in northern Europe. However, there is some more wet and windy weather on the way, and before it arrives, we've got some of this to cope with across northern Britain tonight. Now, the first of the rain is beginning to show up on our Scottish weather radar. It's rather patchy at the moment, but you can see it just moving on to the western side of Scotland. Now, there will be a little bit of sleet and some snow across Northern Ireland and the western side of Scotland this evening, but the real problems will come when it starts to transfer eastwards, because we've got a frost developing on this eastern side of the country. Now, that frost area will shrink, but not before the rain arrives. So for eastern Scotland and also northeastern parts of England, snow getting down to quite low levels tonight. And up on the hills from northern England northwards, I think we can expect between about 2 and 5 centimetres of snow. Now, that's a couple of inches. However, it's all going to turn back to rain and thaw, because temperatures will pick up later on in the night. The winds bringing mild air in from the southwest. So by the end of the night, I think we'll have rain everywhere. Some of the rain will be quite heavy, perhaps even a rumble or two of thunder, and some of that rain, rather light and patchy, will be making its way down towards the southeastern parts of England. So by the end of the night, there won't be a frost anywhere. Now, lots of isobars on tomorrow's weather map, and a couple of weather systems to watch out for. So that means some cloud and some rain. The rain likely to be heavy across northern and western parts of England and Wales. During the morning, there will be some brighter, showery weather in Northern Ireland and in Scotland. However, by the afternoon, more wet weather will be moving in there. However, by then, we are going to find some drier, brighter weather across central and southeastern parts of England and Wales. Now, it is going to be a very mild day tomorrow. Temperatures in the south, 11 or 12 degrees, and even in the far north of the British Isles, about 7 Celsius. On Wednesday, the wet weather will be pushed away by this colder, brighter, showery weather. Up in Scotland, though, a period of more persistent rain, sleet and snow will slip eastwards during the afternoon. And then on Thursday, well, the sunshine and showers will give way to wet and windy weather moving in from the west. That's the forecast.